Christina, welcome to Floor Talk. It's great to have you on the show today.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much for having me. I'm thrilled to be here.
Thank you. So I want to start off by talking about the company. For those who might not be familiar, tell me a little bit about LogicMonitor, what you do, and why your solutions are critical for today's businesses.
So LogicMonitor, we're a hybrid observability platform, of course, powered by AI. But what that means is we actually monitor infrastructure, so the data centers that are fueling this AI revolution right now. And so we ensure that they stay up and running. So everything around that infrastructure, the data centers, the networks, the GPUs, even the LLMs, to ensure they stay up and running and there's no latency around that. And so that's critical in this day and age. We also have trillions of records of data. So we utilize AI on that prediction, but to provide strategic insights, like how should you manage the data center across not only performance, but costs and sustainability impacts. And then how does that connect to your business outcomes? So what does that actually mean for the business that you have?
Now, Christina, you've been CEO of LogicMonitor for a little more than 3 years. And during that time, the company has really seen some impressive growth. So tell me more about some of the company's recent milestones and the journey to get there.
We are in such an exciting time. I mean, I think I tell everyone right now, we're just lucky to be alive in this AI revolution, and we feel really fortunate about that at LogicMonitor. So we just announced in late November that we raised $800 million at a $2.4 billion valuation. So it's been a huge testament to the work we've been doing, but really the opportunity we have ahead. I mean, this AI revolution, we're right at the epicenter. And so I keep saying, you know, AI needs data centers and data centers need LogicMonitor. And so we're right in the heart of this. And with that, I just got off Davos, which was an incredible experience, amazing for us to meet with customers, partners. We announced that same week a partnership with OpenAI. They also announced that week their Stargate. And so you can just see there's this incredible momentum and investment in the data centers and the infrastructure. And with that investment, you have to have these data centers up and running. Without that, that investment will go to waste. And all this innovation that your entire company is running on now, is critical that it's being delivered up and running.
Now, over the last year, LogicMonitor has grown across verticals including healthcare, pharma, financial services, manufacturing, travel and entertainment, education, and the public sector. So tell me, what are some of the biggest challenges your customers are facing, and how does LogicMonitor help them overcome these challenges?
What I love about LogicMonitor is we can be used across any type of company. We can be the local dentist office to the largest food retailer in the world. And so everybody needs us. And if you think about what's happening in the market, I mean, obviously everyone's talking about AI, but the amount of infrastructure that's required for AI is like we've never seen before. So you have this the surface area and amount is increasing, but then the complexity is increasing. So everyone's saying, how do I balance this across the costs and the sustainability and all the energy impacts? And so you've got these highly complex environments. You've got these very, very large environments, and you need to be able to ensure that the performance is there and that the reliability on these systems is there. And then you also have the fact that IT teams are trying to be more efficient, and they don't have, a whirlwind of resources. And so we come in and we can really help them bring all this data into a single pane of glass so that they can see where there's challenges and really resolve them before they become an issue. I mean, we saw CrowdStrike last summer. I know I actually was getting up to go on a flight that day to a global flight. And so everyone was impacted. When you bring these systems down, it has massive impacts, not only on your revenue, but your customer loyalty and experience. And so if we can prevent that and we can help companies solve those issues earlier and faster, then they can really focus on innovation and the outcomes that matter to their business.
Now, Christina, LogicMonitor has had so many wonderful milestones. Tell me, what's next for the company in 2025?
As you saw with our investment round, that really is a testament to the opportunity we have ahead. So we are really focused on getting LogicMonitor in the hands of as many companies as possible. So we're expanding into geos, more verticals. We just are getting our FedRAMP certification, which is very exciting to be able to go after that vertical. We launched our Edwin product last year, which is our IT ops agent. And so Edwin is amazing. He doesn't sleep, he doesn't take vacation, he solves all the problems for our customers. And we saw incredible traction with that. And so we'll continue to accelerate our innovation there. I mentioned the OpenAI partnership. We're going to be looking to do more partnerships with folks. And so lots of exciting stuff, and we're focused on building a scalable, efficient company. And then we'll see what's next.
Well, definitely lots to look forward to with LogicMonitor, and it's been wonderful to talk with you.
Thank you. It's been great.